3.
No, no.
It's just like, come on,
Let me
guys.
go.
It's just go on that one. Haha.
Fuck those Spider-Man. You are not ready for this. We're stronger now. Let's go.
Okay, guys. Training time. Spider-Man. Haha. Okay. Good job. Let's go. Spider-Man.
Yeah.
Yes, come on, guys. Let me do this. Step on my hand. Do backflip. Come on.
Let me do this.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Good, man. Come on. Your turn.
My turn.
Let's go.
Yeah.
My turn now.
Yes, man.
Come on. Let's go this way. Huh? He's a Spider-Man. Huh? If we kill him, Boss will revenge us. Come on, let's go. Careful.
Yeah.
Exactly, Spider-Man. If we kill them,
Hey, guys. You feel that?
Huh?
Someone is watching us.
Huh?
Not good. Okay, we can split up.
Okay.
Right, you guys go.
Right, you two go that way.
Okay, and I'm go this way.
I'm stay here.
Okay.
huh?
Why is just only one Spider-Man? Where there's other?
Hey.
Huh?
Where should I come here?
Please,
huh?
please.
Give me
Sorry.
your guns.
No, no, no.
Huh?
Please. What are you doing
No.
here? No,
Huh.
Spider-Man.
Why are your boss? Huh?
Okay, go.
Okay, come here.
Who sent you here? I'm not doing anything.
Who sent you here?
No.
Tell me.
What you trying to do, huh? What it is?
What it is?
A device? GPS?
No.
What it
I
is?
don't know.
Tell me, where your boss? Or kill you? Please.
No.
Show me.
Okay. Okay.
Take me to your boss.
Okay.
Quick. Let's go, boys.
Go, soldier. Let's go. Go.
Let's go. Hey, yeah. Come on, guys. We don't need to be hurried. That guy is so slow. Keep going. Alright, guys. My turn. Hey, yeah. Stop showing off, guys. Let's go. Yeah. Okay, my turn now. Hey, yeah. Quick. Follow him. Get up. Hey, yeah. Huh? Why get down there? Let me see.
Come here, Spider-Man.
Come on, guys. Yeah. Come on, beat them. You okay, buddy?
I'm good.
Okay, go. What? Not good. Red, go help him.
Help me.
Show them who boss.
What?
My turn. No, take this. Come on, we gotta go. Fuck this loser. Follow that guy. Let's go. Don't let him get away. He's trying to run away. You see that?
No. Huh?
What? Behind you, Red. Be careful.
Hey.
What? What? Who you think you are, huh? Let's go, guys. Where he? No. He's over there. We don't need you anymore. Come on, guys. Let's go up. Huh? There's more. Oh, no. I feel we're real close to him now. Come on. Huh? What are you doing? Guys, help me. Come here. That's what you get. Alright, let's go. Huh? He's some spider web. He's dead. Come on. Oh no, there's more. Help me, guys. Get off. Help me. Huh? What are you guys doing? Licking sleep? No. There you go. You okay? Come on, guys. Let's go. Fuck this. Come on. He's there. Come on, guys. Come on. No. It's too strong. No. What are you doing to my friends? No. Ah!